All right, what's going on, folks? Full video right here on the YouTube channel today. I got a 16 GMC Sierra SLT. This truck is a 1500 four-wheel drive with some awesome upgrades. A very good price truck as well, just over 140K, like I said, priced at 24 grand. 6 inches of lift, 20-inch XD wheels. It does have an aftermarket upgraded cowl induction hood. The full list of the upgrades will be directly on my website. Undercarriage, extremely good shape, zero rust. A little bit of curb rash on this back wheel right here. We will touch it up so it's not as noticeable. It does currently have it though. Again, SLT package, so this thing's got leather interior, heated seats as well, rear rolling bed cover. These current tips we're going to take off, just kind of old chrome tips. They wear out over time, they start getting rusty looking. Other than that, we'll take those off, get some new ones on there. Mud Kicker Cosmo MTs, plenty of tread. I'd say probably in the 70%, 75 percentile range. OEM step rails, OEM GMC floor mats. Leather has a tiny bit of wear on the passenger seat. Not unrealistic for the year and mileage. Dash is still in really good shape. Headliner, same thing. Headliner still in really good shape. Center console lid is in great shape as well. It's got some of the touch-up wood grain interior. Back seat leather, really good shape. It's black paint, so you can see, you know, some blemishes here and there. You get really close. There's a fine, it's not even through my fingernail, but there's a couple small scratches here and there. No major body damage, no big dents. No big major scratches. We will go through the truck, touch it up, make sure everything looks as good as it should. This truck looks awesome from the front. I don't know about you guys. If you guys like that front end right there, drop a comment, say hell yeah. Anyway, again, undercarriage, no flick and rust anywhere. We are a dealer located right here, Latson, South Carolina. We don't deal with rust. We don't like rust. I'd say this truck is still in really good shape, definitely for the year and miles. Like I said, it's black, so it kind of shows any and all blemishes. Just minor ones. You know, a few rock chips here and there on the front, a couple small scratches here and there. Like I said, we'll go through it with a OEM touch-up pen, clear coat, and try to get as much of them out as we can. But it cleans up really nice. Overall, definitely in good shape. Like I said, back seats don't look like they've been sat in much. This is the 40-20-40 front, non-center console. Again, this truck's got just over 140K, 2016 Sierra 1500, fully serviced through our shop, 140-point inspection. All the fluids have been checked or changed. If you guys have any questions about this truck or many of the other lifted trucks that we have in stock right here, we're stocking over 50 lifted trucks. Again, we're in the heart of Charleston, South Carolina, in a town called Latson. If you guys have any questions, give us a call direct, 843-697-7501. Until next time, next video, it's your boy Mark, Deluxe Motorsports. Like, subscribe, hit all that bell notification bullshit. Till next time, next video, I'm out.